Okay, we have a Clausing-Metosa Cnc / manual engine lathe, model EL1745CS, serial number 32600. Machine was new in 1999. We're going to run it for you. Machine has 17-inch swing, 25 inches in the removable gap by 45-inch centers. You have a FAGOR 800 TG CNC control. 100 in the low range. You have 3 ranges. Low range up to 310, medium range up to 840, and high range up to 2300. Machine does have constant surface speed. He's shifting right now. You have a CAMLOCK D16 spindle with a 2 1/32 inch hole.
500 in the middle range. 500
in the medium range. That's a 10-inch 3-jaw chuck. Also, you have an Aloris quick change tool post, model CA, with an assortment of holders, and a Jacobs drill chuck in the tailstock. That's 900 in the high. Again, it goes up to 2300 in the high range. 1100 RPM. Machine's nice and quiet. He's using the hand wheels, which acts as a digital readout. You have ball screws and a servo motor for both your axes, cross and longitudinal. It's feeding right now. It's got a hardened ground bedways and cross slide. Waves are nice. Manual tailstock. Tailstock's number 4 Morse taper with a 6 1/4 inch quill travel. And again, you have a Jacobs drill chuck in there. Hey, I think you've seen our video. Thank you for watching.